Hey Chelsea, so this is the one that you just submitted. And if you go to grades and go down to this assignment and click on the rectangle that says 32%, click on that. And then what I do immediately is I click on this icon here and then click on the 32 again. And so I can see exactly what is being, like what your lines are being matched to. And so 17% of what is highlighted, everything that's marked with a 1, is being matched to Anthony's bibliography. So I really can't give this a grade until that's all fixed. I'm not sure what to do. I mean, there are a few things we could do. I could put in the 0 and you can see what it is, but I'm sure you're not going to like that because you worked too hard to take a 0 on this and have your grade go down by 10%. That's what would happen. If you're away and can't work on this, then I can file for an incomplete, but I think you have to sign that. But you could probably do that using your phone. So that might be the best option. And and then when you get back, we can just work on it and get it done. I mean, it's a small thing. It's not going to hurt anything, I don't think, if you take an incomplete and fix it like in a week or two. And that's what we'd want to do. We'd want to fix it in a week or two. So just let me know.